welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. Today we're going to talk about education. Education is the key of everyone in life, and I came out in this magazine on South London Press, publishing South London Press, just on the 27th gone. And I say I want to share this with someone, and if someone want to receive one of these, I got 4 of them. If you want to receive one of these magazine, I will definitely send one of these magazine to you guys. I have a portion, a section in it about myself. But I want to say, I was reading it, and when I was going through it, I saw some very interesting things, and I was saying to myself, probably someone can receive this and send it to someone and make someone even read about it. But I'm willing to, anywhere in this world, I have 4 of them, and I'm gonna keep one for myself, and I'm gonna post off these 3. Anyone requests, if you need one of these, I will definitely send to you. It's a magazine which is all about education. Guys, it is brilliant. It is published in the South London Press on the 27th of this month. I got a section about it myself also, which is really good. And when I look at it, education is all about cooking too. So you can find cooking as a part of education. Also, because when you want to learn something, it's good you can go on my YouTube channel and learn how to cook. But today I'm just basically telling you that if you want to receive one of these magazine, I will definitely send it to you by my cost. It's basically, guys, it is lovely, nice, and I'm telling you, if you read it, you can share it to someone else, you can give it to someone else, and someone else, and someone else, and you just send it out all over the world and let them know that education is the key. Education is the best. So guys, hopefully you will learn something new today, and as I say, this is from Chef Ricardo, and as I say, I'm going to show you my little part inside of the paper and in the magazine, and I want to say, enjoy yourself and have a wonderful time. And as I say, this is from the South London Press, and it's just really brilliant, guys. I love it. It's brilliant, and this is really nice. Education is the key, everyone.